Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can customize your add to cart button in WooCommerce. So let's get right into it. Now, I will be showing you this guide, which I have found on the internet since I do not have a WooCommerce subscription due to the lack of funds to get one. And I will be explaining this through the steps that they have outlined here. Now, I will mention using a plugin, which I will explain through the steps here, and I will also just briefly mention how you can do so by editing the code yourself, even though that is a much more complicated route since you actually need to know how to code in CSS and HTML. So let's start with the plugin method first. Now, the plugin is WowStore, so you can just simply install WowStore into your WordPress dashboard, and once you do, you can turn on the Woo Builder add-on. Once you do, you can then customize the add to cart button on the shop page. Just go to the relevant option and then just customize it however you want. You can customize the cart text, the cart archive text, the typography and everything, and you can also do the same for the add to cart button as well. Depending on your wishes, you can just select the font style, size, height, weight, spacing, and decorations like underline, inherit, overline, and line through. And yeah, that is basically the simplest way you do it. You just enter the builder, and it's very simple and very easy to use. It has been quite well made to be able to support pretty much anybody regardless of skill level. Now, you can also customize the add to cart button on a single product page. However, that is a bit more tedious. If you want to change it for certain products, you can. However, I would just stick to editing everything itself in its entirety. And yeah, that is pretty much it for that. Now, as I've mentioned, you can change the cart button text, which you do so by going into Appearance and then going into the theme file editor and locating the functions.php file. And under there, you need to find the code for the cart. And as you can see, this is the code that you need to change. And this is the code which you can enter to make it look like this. And you can also change the add to cart text on a single page by using code such as this. And yeah, that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.